Guys idol, tandaan po natin ang trabaho ng isang pulis ay hindi po madali. Sometimes in police operation, marami po sa ating mga kapulisan yung namamatay. Sabi nga, kung ikaw ay papasok bilang isang pulis, yung iyong isang paa ay nasa hukay, nasa 6 feet below the ground. Tama po yan, kasi napakadelikado po yung profesyon ng isang pulis. But tandaan natin guys idol, may mga circumstances po na nangyayari na minsan yung pulis yung nakapatay sa suspect. Hindi po problema yan. Ang problema is yung pag-follow sa requirements ng standard operating procedure. Tandaan po natin guys idol na kahit napatay ng pulis yung suspect, basta't ito ay isang reasonable and necessary na paggamit ng puwersa or firearm, ay walang problema yan as long as the police will justify the cost of death of the suspect during the performance ng kanyang duties and responsibility. Guys idol, dalawa po kasi yung pag-aresto ng isang tao. Una, yung voluntary submission. Ibig sabihin, yung taong inaresto ay sumusuko. Yung pangalawa is actual restraint. Ibig sabihin, yung taong inaresto ay hindi basta-bastang susuko, lumalaban. So anong gagawin ng pulis? He will now use force just to mitigate and to arrest the suspect. So paano kung yung suspect ay napakadelikado, may baril? He posed danger to the police and to other person. Anong mangyayari? Diyan na papasok yung tinatawag na use of force and firearm. Tandaan natin, ang paggamit ng puwersa at ng firearms is a last option ng pulis. Kaya kung sakali man na napatay ng pulis, just to mitigate the situation, to arrest the suspect, and to protect himself or herself and to other person from harm, walang problema yan. Ang importante, justifiable yung reason ng police bakit niya pinatay yung suspect. In summary po, the police are mandated to protect the lives and property of the people, not to kill the person. Kung sakali man na pinatay ng police yung suspect during police operation without justifiable reason, without following the standard of operating procedure, yan po ay may karampatang parusa sa ating batas. So guys idol, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat and maraming salamat po sa panonood.